The Diode Dynamics SL2 and SL2 Pro are the newest high-performance LED bulbs to hit the market. But we've been asked, what's the difference and which is better suited for your application? Hi, I'm CJ with Diode Dynamics, and today we'll be covering just that. First, it's important to note that these and all other replacement LED bulbs on the market are not legal for use in headlights for on-road use in the United States. There's a lot to cover with both these bulbs, so let's start by covering the shared features between the SL2 and the SL2 Pro. Perhaps the most important feature shared is the lifetime warranty. Between this and our renowned in-house US customer service team, you can rest assured that both the SL2 and SL2 Pro will be the last set of forward lighting bulbs you'll ever buy. Now, let's take a look at how they're built. Both the SL2 and SL2 Pro use cast aluminum housings that ensure efficient operation. The LED emitters on both models are precisely sized and positioned to replicate the filament of a factory halogen bulb, ensuring you won't blind oncoming drivers like generic LED bulbs might. On top of that, they both offer a superior compact fitment, unlike other options on the market. They both feature an internal driver, so they can be installed with ease even if you have a dust cover. However, one difference you'll notice between the two is the SL2 has a wire lead, where the SL2 Pro does not. Now, let's talk about some of the key differences between the SL2 and SL2 Pro. First, let's take a look at the cooling features. At 14 watts, the SL2 bulb delivers exceptional output thanks to its copper core circuit board and thermally optimized full metal housing with an integrated heatsink. The SL2 Pro, however, boasts unique cooling features like thermal separation technology, or TST, which increases the surface area on the bottom side of the LED chips for better heat dissipation. Additionally, the SL2 Pro has an integrated top-mounted fan to move air away from the circuit board, ensuring maximum efficiency and a longer lifespan with consistent output. In terms of output and color, as mentioned before, both bulbs mimic the output of halogen filaments, giving you that additional output without compromising the beam pattern. The SL2 bulbs offer 1400 lumens per bulb, while the SL2 Pro delivers an impressive 2400 lumens per bulb. The SL2 is available in both cool white and selective yellow, while the SL2 Pro is exclusively available in cool white. Both bulbs can be installed in fog lights or headlights for off-road applications, but if you're looking for a nice increase from your factory halogen bulbs, go with the SL2. However, if you're looking for maximum brightness, go with our SL2 Pro. We have most sizes available with the SL2 and SL2 Pro, such as 9006, 9005, H11, and more. With the SL2 bulbs, you get even more sizing options that you can check out in the link in the description below. Our engineers are always working to provide the most bulbs possible, and we have more sizes on the way. The SL2 and SL2 Pro are among the highest performing and most reliable LED bulbs on the market today. No matter which option you choose, we're confident these will be the last bulbs you'll need to buy, and that's the Diode Difference. If you have any questions about the SL2 or SL2 Pro, be sure to leave them down in the comments and stay tuned for future videos covering these products. If you're interested in picking up a pair of our SL2 or SL2 Pro LED bulbs for your ride or any of our other products, be sure to visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on any new or future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.